Hi everyone, bad car symptoms here. The blower motor system on your car has a vital component called the resistor. It is located usually near the blower motor or it's bolted onto the same housing. It has a role in regulating the speed of the motor, or will it even work at all? If you think you have problems with the resistor, these symptoms should help recognize the problem on time. Stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. The blower works only at some speeds. The first symptom you'll probably notice is that the blower motor works only at some speeds. For instance, just the number 1 and number 4 settings work. The rest do not. The blower works only at the highest setting. Next is the symptom that perhaps tell you with the most certainty that the resistor is faulty. And that is that the blower works only on the highest setting. For instance, it works only on number 4. When you turn to the other numbers, it does not work at all. The blower does not work at all. If the resistor has totally failed, the blower may not work at all. So you turn the switch and there is nothing. In this case, you must check the other possible causes, mainly check the fuse, the electric connections, and else. The smell of burning inside the passenger cabin. This is a rare symptom, but it's worth mentioning. Sometimes the resistor may overheat and start burning the blower motor housing or the surroundings, causing a bad smell of burning plastic. A resistor problem is rare, and usually this part lasts as much as the blower motor, if not longer. Excessive moist or bad electrical contacts can damage a resistor easily. As always, the moment you notice the problem, react as soon as possible and fix it. Without proper ventilation, driving can be outright dangerous. So that's it for this time. We hope the videos help find the problem. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thank you for watching and thank you for your time.